Gardabags is a strategic project driven by the need to increase the presence of bag, small leather goods and travel item manufacturers at the fair. In this way, we further enrich the event's offering, also benefiting the footwear segment. The broader variety of the collections will make the visit even more appealing for international buyers, who will find everything they need in one place as a one-stop shop. Europe does not have a specifically fair dedicated to accessories, bags, small leather goods, belts and luggage. The same way Expo Riva Schuh is dedicated to footwear. Focus on volumes and mid-range. Our exploratory trips to China, Turkey, India, discussions with companies and feedback we gathered from our extensive network of delegates worldwide have confirmed this. The competitive advantage offered by Gardabags to participating companies are many. The timing of the event, the legacy of over 100 editions and more than 50 years of experience in mass market and accessory sectors, our deep understanding of the global market and our international network.